A Genestealer is a bioform of the multi-species Tyranid race that was genetically designed by the hive mind for the infiltration of other intelligent species' settled worlds. The Tyranids are a nomadic xenos species governed by a gestalt collective conscious known as the hive mind. The species comprise many different genetically enhanced bioforms, of which the Genestealer is but one. Genestealers are capable of using their unique parasitic reproductive cycle and psychic abilities to establish so-called Genestealer cults on Imperial worlds. These cults are used to support high fleet assaults by infiltrating the human world society and military defences from within. Genestealers serve as the vanguard organisms of the Hive Fleets, the first Tyranids to be discovered by the Imperium. Their true nature is obscured by a confusing multitude of legends. They are known as Snatch Devils on some Imperial worlds, Cave Nightmares on others, and Clawed Changelings on yet more. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.